How to book Singapore Airlines ticket online. So the first step is to simply go to Singapore Airlines official website, and then you're gonna have to simply click on book trip. Then you're gonna have to choose from which airport, which city you want to fly to which one. So let's say New Zealand. So I'm gonna go with the New Zealand here. Then you're gonna have to choose the depart date, and then you're gonna have to choose the return date. Now, if you want, you can make this one way, so you can select one way, and then here you can simply select any dates, then choose the class and how many passengers, and then simply click on search, and basically that's all you have to do in order to be able to book flights on Singapore Airlines. Of course, you're gonna have to choose the flight depending on the time that you want and need, and of course you're gonna have to simply choose any of that and simply pay using your credit card, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.